This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a Google Finance Sheet, a powerful tool for tracking your investments. We'll dive into how to import real-time financial data directly into your Google Sheets, allowing you to monitor stocks, currencies, and various market indices with ease. This automation of data retrieval will significantly enhance your financial analysis and planning, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of this fantastic feature. To begin, simply open a new Google Sheet. The core of this process is the Google Finance function. For instance, to find the current price of a stock, you would type equals Google Finance, Goog, into a cell. You can also specify various attributes to retrieve more detailed information, such as equals Google Finance, Goog, Pricey Open, for the opening price, or equals Google Finance, Goog, Volume, for the trading volume. Remember to use quotation marks around your ticker symbol and attribute. Beyond current prices, you can access historical data. Just add start and end dates to your Google Finance function, for example, to see a stock's closing price over a specific period. This function also handles currency conversions. Simply use the format equals Google Finance. Currency, USD, to get the exchange rate between the US dollar and the euro. You can combine this with other Google Sheets functions to perform more complex calculations and gain deeper insights into market trends. Now, let's build a simple portfolio tracker. List your investments with their ticker symbols and the number of shares you own. Then, use the Google Finance function to pull in the real-time price for each stock. Multiply the price by your share count to see the current value of each holding. Sum these values to get your total portfolio worth. This setup allows you to continuously monitor your investments, track performance, and stay informed about market movements, all within one convenient sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.